Hello guys, I'm Kartik from Crazy Creations and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make earth aquile. So to make earth aquile, first I have cut these four cardboard pieces and then stick these three cardboard pieces and stick the colorful one or the printed one on the top, and let me show you after sticking. Like this you have to stick. So this is how it will look after sticking the cardboard pieces together. And after that I have got two pieces like the earth aquile frame and stick these pieces together. Let me show you after sticking. So guys, this is how it will look like after sticking the pieces together, and I have put white color pieces around the what it is called, the layer and frame, and color it, and this is how it will look like after sticking both the pieces together. And after that I have taken a cardboard piece of first bolt of earth aquile and stick that on the top of the frame. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking the all pieces together. After that I have cut six hexagon pieces and one circular pieces and stick it on the cut it half and stick it on the other piece, and this is how the performance tip of the earth aquila will look like. And I have made it with paper. You can even use cardboard or hard, like a bit like hard paper. So stick these pieces together like this, and after that stick the performance tip on the top. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking the pieces together, and I have covered it in black color and stick some paper around it and covered it in black paper, and our bay is almost ready. So next we have to like stick the performance tape on the back of the earth aquila. Let me show you after sticking like this. So our bay is fully ready, and this is how it will look like after sticking every single piece together, and it spins really well like the original earth aquila. And mm, I forgot what I was going to. Yes, the most important. So the most important. Why the heck? So the most important part here is to cover it with super glue, the top portion and the lower portion, so that it won't like it will go down and like. So now let's do a test spin. Um, it doesn't like spin that much really good, cause my stadium is not that much good. Let me spin it on the floor. So let's do another test spin. So this is how it will spin. So now let's do a battle. So now let's do the battle. uh, and I have only one metal fusion bay with the not actually the metal fusion. In which series it belongs? Leave it. So it is El Drago Destructor. So let's spin it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. No, 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 don't. Oh, sit. Fuck. Sit, man. So don't worry, leave it. I will use another bay. Which way should I use? I only have burstable bay. So I will use Cyclone Ragnarok because it is one of my favorite bay. Hit. Why the heck? What's with my base like right now? Why they are not spinning it like this also not again? Why the heck my launcher is not working? Why? Why? I'm not gonna do any battle. Leave it. Just leave it. So let's do a hand spin. See, this is how it will spin. And guys, in my next video, I will make Phantom Orion, which the bearing driver, and I will upload that video when we will reach 100 subscribers. So subscribe to my channel right now. Do like, share, comment, and do like, share, comment, and comment the next way which one should I make after Phantom Orion. So till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.